welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I had taken an Instagram poll whether you guys wanted to see something glam or something simple for everyday wear for today's video, and we got 60% votes for something simple everyday. So here it is. I have not done something super coral, something super orange and warm for a very long time, and with this summer's heat, this was the perfect way to go. And as always, before we start, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And if you like this video, then definitely do give it a thumbs up. Let's start. So I'm starting off with this light peachy shade called Eden from the Prism palette, and I'm just going to apply that with a PAC 393 brush all over my crease. Want to apply it in the crease and a little above and make sure it's well blended. Taking this darker orange color called Saturn from the same palette, I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid, but I want to make sure that I concentrate most of the color on the outer corner of the eyes. Moving on, taking Eternal, which is a shimmer shade again of the same tone, I am just applying that with my finger all over the eyelids again. And then taking that same dark orange color and just applying it on my under eyes as well. Taking the brown from the same palette, just applying it to the outer corner to kind of create that little dimension and a little of a smoked out effect. Taking that same shimmer shade, I'm just going to apply that to the inner corners just to give it a nice little twinkle. Moving on to my base, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and just applying that all over my face. Now you can use your hands to dot your face as well. And I'm going to be using my hands to kind of blend that foundation into my skin. Now this is one option where you can use your hands, your fingers to kind of blend all that foundation into your skin, or like I prefer better using a beauty blender like I am right here because it's just less messier. That's the only reason I prefer using a beauty blender. Next, taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, I am in the shade Medium Beige. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes just to kind of lightly cover the dark circles, and I'm going to blend that out with the beauty blender once again. After which, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation all over my face. I'm setting my face. You want to make sure you set your face very well because in this heat, you don't want all that foundation to melt off. And yes, we did use foundation, but it's a very lightweight foundation. Next, taking this peachy blush from MAC in the shade Sunbasque, I'm just going to apply that all over my cheeks and then coating my lashes with mascara. Finally, moving on, I'm using Chaud from MAC. This is an awesome orange color, perfect for the summers, and I'm just going to use that on my lips. And once I'm done with everything, I'm going to set my entire face with MAC Fix Plus. How quick was that? We're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.